How does making $10,000 a month sound? Hey, what's up guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer here, and I'm excited in this video to share with you what I'm currently doing and in the process of trying to earn 6 figures a year, $10,000 a month. I know if you're watching this video, you're probably like, oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about, right? A lot of people want to make 6 figures a year, and here's your opportunity to do it. I'm doing it right now. In the process, I'm excited. But what I want to do is not waste too much time. I'm going to send you over to a register page where you can do a live webinar, attend a live webinar, no, pre-recorded stuff. And it'll show you exactly how to build a $10,000 a month business, right? When you attend the actual webinar, you'll see like this is no like fairy tale stuff. There's no like made up stuff. It's a legit business opportunity that you can jump in and start making money and start building an income. And this is for those who want that 5 figures a month, 6 figures a year, right? This is not for the, I want to do the 9 to 5, $12 an hour thing. That's cool if you want to do that, but this particular opportunity, this business is for those looking to make the 6 figures and beyond. All right, so I'm doing it right now, and the link in the description will allow you to attend the live webinar so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm actually going to start documenting and doing videos on what I'm doing to build up my $10,000 a month. So you can, even if you don't want to join and start this business, you can follow me if you want, you know what I mean, and see my progression, because I'm definitely going to hit this goal. And if you join the webinar, you actually want to join this opportunity, you can connect with me and let me know, hey, I'm in it, and let's go. We can do this together and help each other out. It's all good. So link in the description. Join, sign up, register for the free webinar, and you'll get all the details. One more thing too. When you attend the webinar, do not be afraid to ask questions. All right? I tell people all the time, when you're on a live webinar and sometimes people sit back and just like chill, whatever. No, you're trying to build a 6-figure business. This is a life-changing opportunity. So feel free to ask questions. Like if you have any concerns or anything, or just curious, ask questions, right? So definitely check it out. I'm excited about it, and you'll be seeing a lot more videos because you're going to see my progression and everything. So link in the description if you want to join me and build a $10,000 a month income. Let's get it.